Hello, students. Look at your step one tutor. Now back to me. Now back to you, tutor. Now back to me. Sadly, he isn't me. But if you started listening to me, you could have a step score like mine. Where are you? In a real room. Where is he? On a computer screen, teaching from Texas. Look again. Is he making sexist mnemonics about Mickey Mouse? Back to me. I'm not. What's that in your hand? First aid? Back to me. It's an agar plate with the easy bacteria. Don't worry, this Proteus is motile. Look, it's cultured 2 tickets to the winter ball. Would you like them? Look again. The tickets have become that really expensive ophthalmoscope that you didn't buy. Not every tutor can be like me, but you only need to choose one. I'm Saul Maximin, and this has been a message from Academic Development. I'm in a long coat.